Good evening, good evening, good evening. So this video is kind of already in motion, and I apologize for that, but now we're going to catch up to speed and actually finish and play the video. It's been a minute, been busy, but got a day off, so I'm making dinner, and at the same time I said, let me film the video because it's something different. So the pasta you see in front of you is this right here, which is enriched tomato, beet, and spinach and macaroni, veggie pasta. So that's the pasta. I have some blanched broccoli, which I'm probably gonna saute with butter and garlic. I have an oiled pan, and I have some chicken, leg and thighs that I cut up. These, that's the oven telling me it's at temperature. These leg and thighs are in a green herb seasoning, which is cilantro, onion, garlic, pepper, and onions that I pureed up. And then I found this sauce today at the supermarket, which is a ginger sweet sauce. So the pasta is gonna get a spicy marinara, and then I figured the sweet with the spice, and we take it from there. So pan, the chicken thighs I already bought, separated. All I did was season them. Sorry I didn't show you that. If you want to know the sauce, leave me a comment. I'll make the sauce, not a big deal. But let's just get the chicken into the pan. Very simple, just like that. And then just lay them out. As you can see, they're nice and big, very simple. They're very, very seasoned. And then I'm not gonna over season because we have the ginger sweet sauce. So oven is preheated. Let me turn the light on the oven. Boom. So oven is on, just like so. And let's just get that in. And we're gonna do that for about, let's go 35 minutes. So I blanched the pasta with cold water, and this is the spicy marinara sauce, and it's heating up nicely. That's the Parmesan cheese in there, just to give it a little balance, and very simple. Just gonna throw this in there, let it heat up, and that'll be that. Simple, simple. Make sure it's nice and incorporated. Just something different. Always doing rice and always doing these other things, and probably gonna start doing roasted potatoes and things like that because winter is about to be here. So more wholesome things, but just something different with the pasta. And then we're gonna show the broccoli soon after we glaze the chicken, but nothing crazy, nothing difficult. And as it heats up, it'll get a little prettier. All right, so I poured the ginger sweet sauce into this container because I'm holding the camera and there's no way that I can position the camera with my tripod so I could baste the chicken. So that's not gonna work. So anyway, container, chicken, I'm gonna pull it out like so. And we are going to just pour it, just like that, just like that. Wait, there you go, just like that. And this has like 10 more minutes of cooking, so this should be, there we go. Let me show you everything. So this now will spread across and coat the chicken and give everything a nice color, and then we'll be good. So we got the sweet with the spicy from the pasta. We will be good to go. And Chicken's already looking sexy, but it's gonna get sexier. All right, so I'm gonna pull that chicken out the oven. As you can see, it's looking sexy like I told you. This is 45 minutes, 365 degrees. So, as you can see, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, simple, leg and thighs, very simple. All right, so let's set up this right here. Apologize for the camera angles. Apologize. All right, so we're gonna do garlic and butter broccoli. Got the broccoli, which I told you guys is blanched already. We are going to a little bit of butter. Very simple. Some garlic, chopped garlic, nothing crazy. And we're just gonna let that get to where it needs to get to. And then I got the plate right here for you guys for the setup. And no garnish today. No parsley, no chives, nothing. Straight raw. So always garnishing things and always being all like traditional, and you know, the way this year and everything is going, we kind of need to get out of the tradition, because this is not a traditional year. So all right, so this is moving. The pasta's in there, it's hot. I'm gonna give it a toss in a second. Got the spoon somewhere. Spoon is right here. All right, so while that's heating up, just toss this real quick, but this is ready to go. The pasta is not the prettiest thing, but this is more of an emphasis on a home dinner type of video, maybe after work or whatever your situation may be. So, all right, got the butter, got the garlic. We are going to make sure there's no water, and boom. Nice blanched, crisp, green, sexy broccoli. And we are going to just a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper mix. That's good to go. Nice and simple. Quick saute. We don't want any discolorization of the broccoli. We want to keep it nice and sexy green. So just give it a toss. Make sure it's cooked. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Let's give it a quick taste. Can't go wrong with butter and garlic. All right. This is good. Very nice, very sexy, very simple. Okay, so we got the plate set up. Very simple. Pasta. Right in the middle. Just like that. And now, got the broccoli. Let's get some nice big florets, just like that. Boom. 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 See? Get some of that garlic butter. Okay. Turn that off. And then we got the chicken. So we're gonna take, check it out. We're gonna take a leg, like so. Very nice. Now we're gonna take a thigh, like so. And We're gonna clean that plate because we gotta do that plate thing. And boom. Look at that. You see that glisten? Isn't that like, you know? Boom. Good to go. Nice green broccoli. So like I said, I'm not garnishing. Emphasis is on the chicken. Look at that shine on the chicken. And we good to go. And that is it. So we got that spicy marinara pasta, which is the veggie pasta. We got some garlic, saute, broccoli, garlic and butter. And we have the chicken finished with the sweet ginger sauce. Nice. Anyway, quick video, dinner, JV, Mr. Spice. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next video.